Thank you very much, Sudeep, for taking us through what has been a turbulent week, to say the least. Test of nerves for investors in all markets, including, of course, our own. Thank you very much for joining in. Okay, we're down to the last 2 minutes, so let's wrap it up. What a good way to end the week, and hopefully this green is going to stay. That's what investors will really pray and hope for. Almost a 450-point rally on the Nifty as we are winding up, and we are closing very close to the highs of the session as well. So that's the Nifty heat map. It's a sea of green out there. And the biggest gainers include, of course, the metal stocks, metals, commodities, materials, Hindalco, Tata Steel, JSW Steel, Coal India. These stocks have surged between 4 and 6.5%. You can see them right on top. That is followed by names like Geo Financial Services, Grasim, looking good, NTPC, Cipla. It's been everything goes up kind of a market, so to speak. The big boys, of course, are supporting and performing well. Reliance, for instance, has had a 3% move. So there's absolutely no fault you can find with that. L&T, 2% higher. HDFC Bank, 2.5% higher. Bajaj Finance, 2% up. So financials and banking have done well. Talk about some of the pharma names. They've had a decent run as well today. Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy's gains are between 2 to 3% on these stocks as well. Maybe the market is sensing that Donald Trump is just going to put the pause button even on fresh pharma tariffs, at least for now. Maybe nothing will come immediately. That's the hope. IT has been relatively the weaker link. TCS, let's pull up that stock. It is ending down about 0.25%, slightly off the lowest points of the day, but nonetheless, muted quarter and slightly cautious commentary, so 0.25% down there. Infosys also 1% higher. So comparatively speaking, the IT part of the market has been more subdued. Tech Mahindra, HCL Tech, these are stocks up about 1% each. The gains are coming in from commodities and they're coming in from financials. Let's talk about the mid-cap screen. The mid-cap screen is looking pretty good, 2%, almost 2% up on the mid-cap index, in line with the large-cap gainers. Let's talk about some of the key movers and shakers here. PI Industries, 10%. Wockhardt, 10%. Something like Sarda Energy up about 10 to 11%. Look at the moves on Gravita. Gravita, by the time we've closed out, has surged 18%, and a bulk of this has happened in the last 20 to 30 odd minutes. Big move there on Gravita, about 18% on the higher side. Some of the EMS stocks like Syrma have had a very good run. Syrma is up about 10.5%. Pull up Dixon and maybe even Amber. Both of those stocks are also up between 5 to 6%. So that's been the shape of the market in general, looking very, very good. Just have to point out one name from the gold financier side. Muthoot has ended with a cut of about 6%. So about 6% yesterday, as on Wednesday, and another 6% down today. That takes the weekly loss on Muthoot Finance to 14% after these new gold financing draft norms from the RBI. Well, the bell has gone, the week is over, and we have managed to end with a cut of less than 3% for the week on the Nifty. It's a wrap on this edition of Closing